Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is December 15, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, so the markets are flying high this morning. The S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading up by 15 3/4 points to 2034 1/4 per contract. So the market has a pretty good lift off this morning on this Tuesday, and we'll see how it plays out throughout the remainder of the trading day. Now, we have lots of stocks in the news, and as you all know, tomorrow is going to be the highly anticipated FOMC announcement. The Federal Reserve will come out, and for the first time in, I believe, 9 years or 8 years, they're going to actually raise interest rates. At least that is the thought process right now. Now, they're only going to raise by a quarter point on the Fed funds rate. So again, they're going from 0 to a quarter point, and that's Fed funds rate. That's the overnight bank lending rate to the large giant banks like JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Citigroup. And again, we'll see how it plays out. But that rate increase generally will help the bank stocks. So we'll see how this all shakes out by tomorrow. Now, that announcement is tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock, so we have to sit tight, but right now the markets are in rally mode. So let's take a look at some stocks in the news. First one here is Lumber Liquidators, ticker symbol LL. This stock has been absolutely crushed this year, but it is getting a pretty big pop today. It closed at $14.06. It is now trading at $17.82, and it is moving higher on the back of Whitney Tilson coming out and saying he covered his short position. So again, great pop there on Lumber Liquidators, but stock has been absolutely mutilated. Right now, I'm not really sure where this is going to go. Off the bat, I'm looking at resistance around 20 if it does get up there. But again, this is something we'll keep on the radar today, and we'll see how it plays out. Next one I want to talk about is 3M. 3M closed yesterday at $157.63. Looks like they lowered guidance. The stock is trading at $150.20. That is not a good move. That's a big move down for 3M, and I am going to have gap levels for us this morning. So if you want to play this alongside of us, come over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. I'm going to have gap levels that have already worked out. They've already been worked out, and they'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. So if you want to trade 3M today, come on over. We have some good levels. We will be playing this stock once the opening bell rings. Next one on my list here is AMGN. AMGN is the ticker symbol. I'm not sure of the news here, but the stock is up nicely. It closed at $158.11. It is now trading at $161.20. So AMGN is off to the races as well. Good little pop here. Looks like the stock has big resistance around 166 if it does get up there. I'm not sure it's going to make it up there, but if it does, that would be a big resistance level in my book, right around 165.80 to 166. So we'll see how that plays out. Next one on my list here is QUALCOMM. Looks like QUALCOMM has been upgraded. There's some chatter and news. You can read all about it. Stock closed yesterday at $46.84. It is trading at $47.67 now. So good little pop for Qualcomm. Qualcomm's been a beaten down equity. Again, we'll keep it on the radar. It's hard to see this thing really trade much higher than $47.50, but it is above that level now, and we want to respect that. Remember, it's a strong gap up, and it's a big beaten down equity. So again, Qualcomm catching a little bit of a bid. Here's a stock that is not. This is a machine maker, Kennametal. This stock is getting absolutely hammered today. This closed at $25.57, now trading at $21.20. There's some support at 20. You can see it's been supported there yesterday after the close. But again, beaten down equity. Got to be real careful with this one. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings today. VRX, which is Valiant Pharmaceuticals, catching a big bid. Finally getting piercing through that $100 level. That's been a big psychological level for the stock to get through. We're going to watch this one once the opening bell rings today, and we'll see how it plays out. A lot of members ask me every day about this equity, and I said 100 is still the big resistance level, so we're going to have to watch it there, and we'll see how it plays out. I believe the CEO was just on CNBC this morning. Looks like they did a deal with Walgreens as well. So again, I'm not sure what to make of it, but we'll see it when it plays out. Let's take a look at FDS, which is FactSet. So if you ever want to wonder who the company is that comes out with all these guidance numbers when companies report earnings, this is the company right here, FactSet. And right now it's showing very little volume. Stock is at 167.40. I'm not going to make much out of it. It did close at 169.17. I do think that the stock is a little bit overbought on the daily chart, but nonetheless, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings and we have a little bit more volume there. Couple of stocks that I did see in the news today that had some downgrades here. Skyworks Solutions. Remember, this is part of the Apple ecosystem, semiconductor play. Right now, this is trading at 77.35. Also, AVGO. This is trading lower as well, trading down around $140. This is also part of the Apple ecosystem. Remember, AVGO is in the process of buying Broadcom. I don't know if that deal has been finalized, but pretty much it is pretty much a done deal. So again, both of these equities are trading lower. And when you take a look at Apple today, Apple's trading at around 111.45, closed at 112.48. So Apple is a little bit on the weaker side as well today. So it's going to be very, very important to see how this plays out. Apple does carry a lot of weight, especially in a lot of these semiconductors and a lot of their ecosystem stocks that are part or components of the Apple phone and Apple products. So we'll see how this all plays out going forward. The gold market today is down just 40 cents to $10.63 an ounce. That's $1,063 an ounce. And the crude market is down 5 cents to $36.27 an ounce. It's going to be important to watch crude right now because it seems like the market is really looking for crude as the lead dance partner. When crude moves higher, so does the market. But either way you slice it or dice it, futures are flying high right now, up 17.5 points. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, we had a blockbuster day yesterday. We're going to have another good day today. And again, like I said, we have that morning gap in 3M as well. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see what it's all about. We've had just a stellar 2015. And like I said, a blockbuster day yesterday. And we're going to look to keep that going today. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session. And we will see you on the charts.